Hola, mi gente. In English is, hey, my people. That's what I'm saying. So, today I'm doing a collab. What is it? Collab with my boy, Jen.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hey.
Check out his YouTube channel. It's amazing. And he does video games. And they're great. I can't play. Every time I play against him, I always lose.
We have a video where we play Mario Kart with each other.
Yeah. And I thought I was a pro. And I only did it one day. And he's been playing his whole life.
Playing games all the way. This is my joy, man.
So today we decided to do a trail walk. Look how beautiful this trail is. Wait, I can switch my phone. Okay, but look how beautiful. And my house is just like up there.
It's in the forest.
I live in the boonies. Yeah, yay. But yes, so we decided to go walking. We decided to show you a little bit about our life and what we do on a day-to-day basis and my weight loss journey. Jen is gonna join me.
I know, because Jen needs to lose a few pounds. I'm telling you.
This is called Toby.
This is called isolation.
No, it's called Toby.
Isolation.
Toby.
Isolation.
He called him Toby since a while back. But don't tell him I told you guys. But yes.
I know I can hear you, right?
Can't hear nothing. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. Look. But yes.
Vamos a meter en el agua.
Vamos a meter en el agua. He is a Mexican.
No, I'm just a white boy.
But yes. So, Jen,
Yeah, what's up?
what do you like doing on a day-to-day basis besides video games and eating?
Oh, I don't even know. Video games are a huge part of my life. That's like one thing I do in the morning.
Guys, what do you guys think I should do? Oh, sorry, Jen. I didn't mean to cut you off. Go.
No, it's okay.
Go.
You cut me off already. Just do your thing.
I came up with the idea because I saw a girl walking. Let's make Jen talk to a girl and we record it and post it on the line. What do you guys think?
I'm not good talking to chicas.
Be like, hola mami, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, mi mami, ¿cómo está?
Okay, no, hola mami, ¿cómo estás?
I can't do that. I can't do that.
Okay, so the next girl around his age, I'm gonna be like, yo, do it. Okay, there's people coming. Let's see if I can get
It's viejita. It's viejita.
Okay, we said the next young girl. We're going up a hill. I'm so tired. Guys,
This is part of our weight loss journey, guys.
we can do this. We can do this together. Let's go. Ooh, huh, ooh, huh. So, Jen,
Yeah, what's up?
tell me.
That's so nice. Look at that.
I know, look. So, look at that dog. He's so cute. Oh, he wants to play catch. He's so adorbs. So,
Did I tell you the story of how I'm scared of dogs?
why are you scared of dogs?
Okay,
Tell them.
so, okay.
Here, take my phone.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you this is Gen time now. Okay, so Gen time. So I tell you, when you go to a foreign country, a lot of the dogs aren't like here. If you come to a country like Canada and you go to a different country, like a third world country, dogs are totally different. I remember.
We told him not to get close to the dog. We warned him. He just didn't listen.
I was a innocent little boy who went to Nicaragua.
What? Nicaragua?
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua. Okay, I understand.
Nicaragua.
That's our home city, a home country.
Representing. Go.
And like, it wasn't even a big dog. It was like a small dog too. And I put my hand.
Was it a Chihuahua?
I don't know what it was. It had big eyes though. I put my hand and just go for a pet. It bit my fingers.
They had to take him to the hospital. Okay, so we've been walking for about 10 minutes and I'm already exhausted because everything is going uphill. Good. The view and the scenery over here, it's amazing. Look, Look how beautiful. Jen is like, yeah, I'm gorgeous, thank you. But look, there's like a lake over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a lake over there. All of this is like so beautiful.
And rock.
And rock.
Beautiful rock.
That's the only girlfriend he could get.
It's the only one that loved me.
But yes, we're walking basically on a trail near our house, but it's heritage. Mostly all of the houses are heritage houses, so they're old houses. This is like more like old Markham, so it's beautiful. Coming here, just going for a walk, putting in your steps. I wonder how many steps I have today.
I didn't even know this was here. I didn't even know this was here.
How long have you been living here?
I don't know, a year now?
But how long have you been living in Markham?
A long time.
Yeah, but it's beautiful. Like just going down the trail, walking. It's like very quiet. If you want to have like meditation time, or if you want to like just talk, or talk like, for an example, like me and Jen, we're Christian. If we want to talk to the Lord and just listen to like worship music, we just come here and just like listen. Not right now though. Right now, you know, stay home, be protected, stay safe. But you know, like if I showed you these, look guys, look. It's like beautiful houses. Beautiful houses. So,
All the lakes down there, I see it.
you see the lake? Look at the lake, guys.
It's amazing.
But yes, I'll get back to you guys in a while and we'll see what we'll do. Hello. So, have you guys ever gone to Costco for one thing and end up with a whole buggy? That's how I feel every time I go to Costco. I feel like Costco makes me poor. I shop too much at Costco, even for things I don't even know I need. Today I went to Costco and I bought 4 things I didn't even need. 4 things. I only went to pick up my medicine.
Who told you to buy them? I mean,
Yes, I'll show you guys a little intro video that I did when I was in Costco shopping with my sister. It's funny because you can hear her in the background saying stuff. So let me know what you guys think. But today, Jen and I are just walking like you guys know. Right now, if you can tell, it's got to the part that we're tired.
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
No, you're tired.
I'm exhausted. But it's amazing. I'll show you guys when I get down there, like what I mean, where we're going to. Because we don't even know where we're going to, but I think we're going closer to the lake. I'll show you when we get there, the lake, and how peaceful. Like, come on. Guys, how peaceful is this? It's amazing. It's amazing. But I'll show you guys soon. Very, very soon. And Joshua just said he saw a tree that he only saw on Minecraft and he had never seen it in real life, which is...
I told you that in confidence.
Yeah, so... Wait, let's see what Jen is doing. Go, Jen. Do it. 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 Push-ups.
No, I was gonna climb the tree.
Climb the tree. He's gonna climb the tree, guys.
I know, I don't want to do it no more.
No, you're on camera.
I know.
Go, 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 go. You can do it.
I can do it.
You can do it. Pretend you're in Animal Crossing.
I need no current trees there.
They go choo choo. Go. Go, go, go. They said that 4th time is the charm.
Who says that?
Let's go. That's 5.
Leave me alone. Okay. I got it. And I can't get down.
And that is Jen. That is my life.
minutes.
Jen, what happened?
Nothing. I hurt myself.
Where did you hurt yourself, baby?
Tummy.
Okay, sorry.
Oh my God, there's a well. No, that's just a chum.
Yeah. So that's what you see. This is my life. It's never a dull moment.
Can you not laugh at me climbing trees?
So we made it to our destination. Look at this beauty. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. I promise he's not peeing, guys. But look. Josh, Jen, what are you thinking of?
I need to get more views.
View him.
Subscribers.
Subscribe.
This is beautiful.
So, this is where we made it, guys. I'm going down a hill, so that's why. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The views over here is amazing. It's so peaceful. It's like so beautiful here. I'm loving it. I'm excited that I got to explore this with Jen. Hey, Jen, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna kick that coke pot.
Okay, go.